Are you looking for a small hot tub to fit in your home and latest model? Here are 5 of the best small hot tubs on the market. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or something more luxurious, we've got you covered. So what are you waiting for? So let's get started with the list. List number: Coleman Saluspa Round 4-Person Inflatable Outdoor Hot Tub. The Coleman Saluspa Round 2 to 4-Person Inflatable Outdoor Hot Tub is an excellent, affordable option for relaxation at home or in your backyard. With its comfortable materials and built-in digital control panel, this spa will have you and your loved ones relaxing in soothing warmth with little effort. Enjoy the soothing warmth of an inflatable hot tub that can be used year-round and built to provide a relaxing experience even during the coldest days of winter. The air jets will help you to release all your built-up tension in an instant, while the digital control panel allows you to adjust the temperature and jets without having to leave the spa. The durable Tri-Tech 3-ply walls can withstand strong elements without compromising its stability, as it provides comfort even during extended use periods. List number: Bestway Saluspa Lucia Airjet Inflatable Hot Tub. Bestway Saluspa Airjet Inflatable Hot Tub represents the pinnacle of spa technology. An ultra-strong, high-tech polyethylene material frame is built to last, while its FreeShield automatic heating system stops water from freezing and damaging your spa during colder temperatures. Control your experience with a digital control panel offering power saver mode for even more savings on electricity. The 3-person air jet spa with the comfort of a hot tub and the relaxation of an air spa is now available. With freeze protection technology, this new model features powerful dual jet heads that provide a soothing massage, while filtration system removes dirt particles and impurities to leave your skin feeling clean and healthy. The remote controls have been programmed to automatically activate when you enter. Heating system defrosts should water freeze in your area. Temperature control, power saver mode, and 6 different jets all make this product super easy to use. List number: Coleman Saluspa Inflatable Hot Tub. The Coleman Saluspa is a durable, spacious spa that rests in your backyard. The digital control panel lets you dictate the water temperature up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit and pressure of the jets. A power-saving timer can even automate the temperature of the spa up to 72 hours prior to save energy and money. The spa's durable PVC material and I-beam construction offer superior strength and stability while ensuring your hot tub never loses its shape. A cover comes with for an extra safety feature. Maintain the water's warm temperature and prevent debris from getting in the tub. An ideal option for the busy family or a relaxing getaway to the countryside, the Coleman Saluspa Inflatable Hot Tub is an economical, compact solution that won't take up much space thanks to its compact design. The I-beam construction features sturdy PVC and a durable coating that provides exceptional strength and stability. List number: Bestway Cancun Saluspa 4-Person Portable Hot Tub. The Bestway Cancun Saluspa 71 by 26 inches 4-Person Portable Inflatable Round Hot Tub is a circular inflatable hot tub designed to provide maximum comfort and relaxation after a long day by releasing bubbles from the bottom and back of spa. This tub's filtration system helps capture dirt and debris while removing harsh odors with biodegradable filters, ensuring years of trouble-free functioning and maintenance. The digital control panel heats up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit and features multiple massage options and a flow control valve that allows quick draining of the pool water. Created with a reinforced cover that locks, this portable hot tub also includes cup holders for convenient storage, built-in chemical dispenser, glass handle pump, and filter system that helps keep your spa clean and bug-free. Designed with comfort and ease in mind, this portable spa has all the features that you need to kick back, relax, and enjoy a few days of wholeness. List number: Intex Greywood Deluxe 4-Person Outdoor Portable Inflatable Hot Tub. The Greywood Deluxe 4-person inflatable hot tub is ready to be enjoyed with your family and friends on a warm summer evening or moonlit winter night. Sit back, relax, and let the soothing warmth keep you company while you enjoy the aromatherapy of the electric massaging bubble jets that infuse the water into a natural, healthful environment. With 140 high-powered jet bubbles giving you maximum relaxation from the head to toe, your VIP experience has just begun. These hot tubs are very easy to use. Just step in, turn on the pump, and relax. The controls are wireless touch button control panel with up to 48 hours of wireless operation per full charge. Simply attach the controls to the top of the tub for maximum convenience. With one multicolored LED providing maximum comfort and creating a perfect mood, you can sit back and enjoy tranquility as it was meant to be.